Hey YouTube, back with my 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel. Anyway, ended up putting a new tie rod inner and outer on it. I think they could have gotten by with just the inner, but oh well, can't really see it here, I guess. But and I'm not sure why I didn't see how bent up it was, but here we go. There it is. It's from hitting a washout in the road. Really put a nice little bend in it. But that's just to follow up on the pickup. I thought I'd let you know what was going on. So got a couple other projects here too going on. I picked up this free lawnmower from my wife's aunt and ran it for a little while, and the operator, wasn't me, but the operator must have hit something really hard with it, bent up the blade drive, which has the pulley on it for the self-propelled mechanism. Bent that up really good, and also took the must have bent the crankshaft too, because it took the main bearing out of the bottom of the engine and started leaking oil all over the place. Pretty much drained the oil out of it, ruined the engine. So there you go. You gotta love. Let me see here. I saw a, let me see, does it say it on here or not? But I could have swore I saw one of the engines, Briggs & Stratton engines, saying do not, yeah, there we go. No oil changes, just check and add. Isn't that nice? So I guess they're saving the environment. I changed the oil, sorry, I do. But to replace this motor, I went with a Harbor Freight 173 5.5 horse. It should work out on here. I had to order a sleeve adapter for the crankshaft. I'm not sure if that's such a wise idea, but it is what it is. I was trying to find a pulley or drive, a blade drive that's actually made for the Predator engine, but nobody's making them. I would think that would be kind of a thing that Predator or Harbor Freight should actually sell with that unit, because pretty much all of them are alike. I know this one Toro here, I gotta put the handle on it. I got a new handle sitting over here on the side for it. Gotta get that done. Gotta wait for parts on this one, and hopefully I'll get that running. I'll fill you in on how that is going. So parts all over the place. Got parts back there too. Yeah, if it rains, I guess it'll be my way of parts washing. So there you go. There you go. Wonderful throwaway Briggs & Stratton plastic carbureted engines. I've had enough of Briggs & Stratton. I don't want to see another Briggs & Stratton in my life, as far as I'm concerned. It's either Honda or whatever. And I don't know. We'll have to see what this Predator engine's like. It's probably junk too. I would venture to say it's probably better than the Briggs though. Anyway, have a great day. Video was supposed to be about the pickup, follow up on the pickup, but that's driving down the road nice and straight. Doesn't go all over the place, and the steering wheel's in the right spot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, Minnesota. Just love it. Salt. I guess you guys in the East Coast know what that's all about. New England area. Have a great day. Bye.